We are facing market trends where we see that the need of customization and personalization of packaging is growing. The answer to this need from FlexLink is BRIXX, a modular solution for the automatization of co-packing processes. BRIXX is a solution based on two modules, a cobot module and a conveyor module, which can be combined in every possible way to fulfill the customer applications. We have also external machines such as printing, labeling, wrapping machines that can be integrated in the solution to fulfill applications. The solution comes with an embedded software which is already pre-programmed, so there is basically no need for engineering competence and programming competence. The customer simply picks the behavior that is needed to fulfill their application, starting from, for instance, a depalletizing process all the way to repalletizing into different formats. BRIXX comes with also a management software, which is basically an external HMI, is available in a tablet and can be used with the drag and drop functionality to create new layouts and fulfill new applications. Come and see BRIXX at all 6 at the Coesia booth. Thank you.